Hey y'all, it's Gucci back with another video. I know I haven't uploaded one in so long because now I actually been at work a lot more. So my schedule been busy. So I'm trying to set a schedule to, make more videos for you guys. And I'm gonna stick to it because listen, I gotta get on it. So today we're doing a last minute packing try on haul, I guess. I had to I had to order a couple of new I had to order a couple of things for my trip for my birthday, my big 27th birthday. And everything's finally here, so I decided to record it for y'all and show y'all. So with that being said, we're gonna start with Fashion Nova, of course, and I have on the first item now. This is called the Lexi Ripped Maxi Dress in the color rust and a size medium. And this is so cute. It's really long. It starts to my ankle. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it, but you see, like, the little split. Yes, this is so cute. I cannot wait to wear this because I'm most definitely taking this dress. Like, this is super cute. Okay, next from Fashion Nova, we have the Best Vibe jumper in the color black and a size medium. And I just needed a black jumpsuit with a zipper in the front because I hate the zipper in the back because mine's always ripped. And it's a Best Vibes right here, and it also got a little thing, a little hole where you can put your thumb in like this. This got a good stretch to it. Like, I like this. Super stretchy and comfortable. So yeah, I think I'll keep this one. Okay, and next we have the Frisky Feline jumpsuit in the color ivory in the size large. I didn't notice. Well, I don't have a bra on, so my nipples showing right now, so I gotta cover them up. But I guess I forgot that this one zips up in the back. If I would've knew that, I would never ordered it. But whatever. This is cute. I got a large because, like I said, I be getting a hole like right here at the bottom of it, and I think I got one now. So I thought maybe if I go up a size, it would help, but I see not because I think I already got a hole in it. But yes, this is cute, simple, stretchy, comfortable, something to throw on and go. Just make sure you wear a bra. And I have two more things from Fashion Nova, but I couldn't show y'all because, like I said, my titties were showing in that jumpsuit. But next we had Can't Stop Thinking About You sunglasses, and I just needed some new black ones. I still love my big square ones, but I was like, it's just time for some new ones. So yeah, I had to wait for these to get stocked, and it just took a long time. And next we have, and last thing we have, oh, it's on another piece of paper, but it's just an orange swimsuit from Fashion Nova. Actually I could have put this on. Oh, I thought I had to tie it up, but I don't. But yeah, I just needed the bottoms. So, yep, that's it for Fashion Nova. And next, this dress that I have on now is for what the name of it is called. It's called something closet. But this, I'm gonna have it in the description box or whatever. This is called the Crave You dress in a size medium. And it's super long. Like, I had to pull it up some. But if I pull it like down all the way, like it's to my ankles. So I pull it up. But this dress is so cute. It's so stretchy. Like, I could have got a small. It would have been able to fit it. It's so cute. It got the little holes for your thumbs, which I love. I love a good maxi dress with these little thumb holes because I don't know. It just makes it so much cuter. So yes, I love this dress. I may wear this when I come back home from my trip. No. It was a struggle getting to this one. Girl, I probably ain't gonna never wear this. Next, we have the winter set in the color black and a size large. Like, this is literally a large, and I don't understand why I can't fit it. This is a not stretchy material at all. I like the pants though. The pants fit, but this top, oh no. This top not for me at all. But the pants is cute. And yeah. Oh, and also I got my little favorite. Dang, if my finger go through the little thumb hole. Ooh, child, I'm so out of breath. Like, this took a minute. But yeah, this is the last thing that I got. And I'm gonna be showing y'all some other stuff. Well, I'm gonna still have this on, but I'm gonna show y'all the rest of what I got. We have some stuff from She. I'm pretty sure everybody heard of it. I would try this on, but like I said, my nail's super long for my birthday, and I cannot tie anything up. And it's just a two-piece, a cow top with the little gold chains on them. Also, it go around your neck like this with the little gold chains. And then we also have the bottom. This the back, this the front with the gold chains on the side. And this is a size large. I know that for sure. I'm just, putting this stuff in my suitcase. It's already like extra full. And then I also got me a black little cover up. Right here. Oh, you tied up. Guess you just tied up like this or something. Yeah. You know, that's a one size fit all. Now, I have two pair of shoes. Had to give me some more heels from, do it say what the name of them? Nope. But I got me two pair of heels. And first we have these nude heels. These are so cute. Oh, I tell you, I cannot wait to be able to wear these. Like, I'm so in love with them. Like, I love the quilted pattern in the front. Like, oh my God. Like, I only get my heels from Simi and Ego. And I wear a size 6 in heels. Y'all can't see these, but I have to put them on. They is so, like, cute. Hopefully I'm not ashy, but yes, I love them. I love them because they square in the front, and just love them. And next we have just some silver heels. They tie up. Little big, little rhinestone going on. Let me see. Let me see if I can tie these up real quick for you. Okay, so I got the silver one on. The silver one on. And it don't go that high or whatever. But I didn't want it to go that high. You'll get them around your leg like twice, and that's about it. But I just needed some more simple heels to wear. And oh, I forgot my little cow bikini. It comes with a little what is this called? Scrunchie. Like, isn't this so cute? I can't wait to be able to put my hair in a ponytail, my blue bikini on the beach. I'm ready. So, but that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm done packing. Shit, y'all basically helped me pack. Oh, wait, hold on. I have one more thing. I had to order something for my laptop because I'm taking my laptop with me. And it comes with a case, as you can see, to put your laptop in. I got this from Amazon. It also comes with a keyboard cover, a webcam cover, and a cover to plastic hardware cover to put around your computer. And it also comes with like a little dust wipe. And then the inside is it's soft. Oh, I need this as a blanket. Like, this is super soft. Like, I love this. But yes, I'm pretty sure it'll keep my laptop well protected while I'm on a plane. And it shouldn't have no scratches or nothing when I you know, go to use it or whatever. But yes, that's the end of this video. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And everything that I shown you, I will have in the description bottom below.